Okay, today we're here at the Los Angeles County Fair, and we came to a place called Disco Chicken. I think they're new here. So we got a classic chicken sandwich, and I got their disco sauce. So the disco sauce is actually 90 cents extra. And the sandwich is $18.10, so together it's $19 plus tax is $21. So there might be more disco sauce. Kind of tastes like Thousand Island, but spiced up because it's got a little kick. I can feel it on the back of my throat. So this is actually a pretty hefty slice of chicken there. And there's lettuce, and then the sauce, and oh, actually, there's two pieces of chicken here. Okay, go from this side here. This is not regular lettuce. This is like butter lettuce, which is like fancier. Yeah, this is really good. Chicken is very tender, moist, very thick. Look at that. Both pieces are pretty thick. They get skinnier down here, but oh, yeah, like that is. Yeah, the sauce is really good. I guess you don't really have to order another one unless you'd like to really sauce it up. Yeah, this one tastes really good. I like it. I may even say it's delicious. I know it's pretty plain, but you know, the chicken is really good. Even the bun is kind of good. It's got a different taste to it. And the butter lettuce actually is much better than regular lettuce. And the sauce is really good too, with a little kick. So I'm gonna give this one an A+. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.